Welcome back. So if you've had trouble losing weight, you may want to turn to science to help you slim down. Dr. Cristyn Walkins of A New Aesthetics and Optimum Wellness is here to explain medical weight loss along with a couple of other services. So first off, let's start with what Contour by A New is.
Sure. So Contour by A New is our sub-brand, and that includes two separate things, medical weight loss as well as body contouring. So medical weight loss entails HCG, peptides such as growth hormones, and then as well as bioidentical hormones. And I also do functional medicine, which helps people fix their endocrine system to lose weight. So the other thing is body contouring, which a lot of people are familiar with because Cool Sculpting does a great job getting out and advertising. So Cool Sculpting is the other thing that we offer, but we also offer the brand new Cool Tone. So we're the first in Kansas City.
Yeah, what is this about, right?
So they're first in Kansas City to get Cool Tone. It is similar to some other things on the market, but we're the first in Kansas City and the first in the region to get it. They've only shipped a few out. So what that does is it actually contracts the muscles of the abs, the buttocks, the thighs, and the arms in order to get muscle contraction, so tightening, toning, lifting, and it's about 30 minutes.
It looks like we've got some before and after photos right there, because that's really remarkable. And is this after how many sessions?
So this is 4 sessions, two a week for 2 weeks. So this is about 30 minutes on the machine times 4. So in about 10 days, these are your results. This is 2 of them together.
I was going to say his abs were really defined that second time around. And this woman has had really amazing results.
So this is Cool Sculpting and Cool Tone, where she's done Cool Sculpting to get rid of the fat pocket, and then Cool Tone to help sculpt.
Okay, that's great. So what's one of the things, and maybe some of the hormone therapy plays into this, but that makes your medical practice so different than others?
Sure. I think it's 2 different things. It's the credentials of our staff, and it's also the amount of services we offer. So we're run by myself, a board-certified physician, and a lot of med spas are not. We also have 2 other physicians that are with us, a nurse practitioner and several nurses. So it's the level of expertise that we have in the training. The other thing is the amount of services. We just do so many things, not only medical weight loss and body contouring, which we're very good at, but functional medicine, injectables, laser, and regenerative medicine with exosomes and ozone. So we do a lot of services.
Okay, if somebody's had trouble maybe maintaining their weight, or they've been a typical yo-yo dieter, we all know that can be very, very much a struggle. So why would someone want to turn to science, or maybe say, hey, can you take a look at my hormones? Can we help get these in balance?
Sure. So the endocrine system is really what becomes disrupted as we age through toxins and through foods, through hormone changes, and that starts at a very young age for all of us. So those people that are really struggling with yo-yo dieting or have not been able to keep that off or even lose that, if we look at the full picture and look at the endocrine system, there's usually issues with stress hormones and other hormones that we can fix to get those long-term goals. And then when there's leftover fat pockets or things we want to tone, we finish that off with body contouring, which we're really successful at.
Okay, so it's working smarter and not harder, basically.
Yes.
Okay, now you guys have a brand new location in the River Market. Can you tell me a little bit about that and what's coming next?
Sure. So we have a grand opening next Friday, February 7th. We're really excited about that. That's from 3 to 8 p.m. at 547 Grand at our new location. There will be Chiefs players there, of course.
Are they coming in for their hormone therapy?
They're coming in a lot for that, actually, because it helps with the abs and strengthens the core, but also for regenerative medicine to help heal some injuries.
Wow.
Okay, so we'll have champagne and
it looks
DJ,
beautiful.
and thank you. We just opened 2 weeks ago, but the big grand opening is next Friday, and we're really excited. There'll be a lot of raffles and demos, and you'll be able to talk to staff about all of our services.
Okay, well, great. We would love to, of course, meet you and find out even more information about that. Thank you so much, Dr. Cristyn.
Thank you.
Again, that grand opening is on February 7th in the new River Market location. You can schedule a complimentary consultation by calling 816-359-3310 or go online to anewaesthetics.com.